Ever dreamt of banking that's as smooth as the moon's surface? You're not alone. But how long does it actually take to get a Lunar bank account? Let's dive in and find out. We all know the struggle. Endless paperwork, confusing jargon, and waiting weeks, maybe even months, for your bank account to finally be ready. But what if I told you there's a bank out there that's shaking things up? Enter Lunar, the digital bank that's promising a faster, smoother, and more streamlined banking experience. Now, the big question, how long does it really take to get a Lunar bank account? Well, the good news is, it's generally much quicker than traditional banks. Here's the lowdown. The sign-up process. Lunar boasts a super-fast and user-friendly sign-up process. Think minutes, not hours. You'll typically need to provide some basic information like your name, address, and ID. Verification. Once you've submitted your details, Lunar needs to verify your identity. This usually involves a quick video call or uploading a photo of your ID. Account activation. After verification, your account should be activated within minutes. That's right, minutes. So, how long does it actually take? In most cases, you can have a fully functional Lunar bank account within a day or two. Pretty impressive, right? But remember, these are general timelines. Factors like your location and the specific verification method you choose can slightly impact the overall speed. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this speedy process. Firstly, it saves you time. No more endless waiting periods or frustrating delays. Secondly, it gives you instant access to your money. Need to make an urgent payment? No problem. With Lunar, you can get your finances sorted quickly and easily. But speed isn't the only thing that makes Lunar stand out. Here are a few other perks that might pique your interest. User-friendly interface. Lunar's app is incredibly intuitive and easy to navigate. Even tech novices will have no trouble finding their way around. Innovative features. From roundup savings to budgeting tools, Lunar offers a range of features designed to help you manage your money more effectively. Excellent customer support. If you ever have any questions or encounter any problems, Lunar's customer support team is always on hand to assist. So, if you're tired of the hassle of traditional banking, Lunar might be the perfect solution for you. With its fast sign-up process, user-friendly interface, and innovative features, Lunar is making waves in the world of digital banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.